Hey eBay, today I'm going to show you a lot of 8 computer magazines. I believe these are all from the mid to late 2000s. Just going to flip through them here real quick to give you a better idea of the condition. If I could get the camera centered. Alright, here we have Extreme Tech from summer 2005. These should all be in somewhere between good to very good condition. They may have a few issues with the covers, but here we have Extreme Tech Fall 2005. PC World from September 2006. This one is a little bit wrinkled up there on the edge, you can see. PC World, May 2008. PC World, April 2006. Linux Journal, December 2005. Maximum PC, July 2006. Oops. And Maximum PC Winter 2005, the PC how-to guide. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for looking, guys.